How to fix Facebook video problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your settings of your phone. Then you will go now directly to apps or applications. Then you will scroll down and you will search for Facebook. Wait, where is Facebook? Yeah, then you will open it when you found it and you will go directly to storage. And then you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. And then you will click OK. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and our channel. See you next.